Good time class, welcome to class 6. So in this video we are going to start chapter number 1, knowing our numbers. Okay, so in this chapter we have to deal with these 5 topics. First is comparing numbers, second is Indian and international system of numeration, third is operation on large numbers, that is their word problems, fourth is rounding off, and fifth is Roman numbers. So first of all we will start in comparing numbers. So how to compare two numbers? How can we compare two numbers? Okay, like first number is 65,498 and second number is 2,842. Okay, so what we have to do is just count how many digits there are. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And in it there are only 4 digits. Okay, so which is the bigger number is? This is the bigger number because it has 5 digits and it has only 4 digits. Okay, so this number goes up to 10,000 place and this number goes up to 1,000 place. So this will be bigger. Okay, what if the number of digits are equal, like 6832 and 9548. Okay, in both these numbers what we have to do is we have to compare them. 6832 and 9548. How many digits there are? There are 4 digits in each of the number. So first of all what we have to do is we have to go to the maximum place, which is thousands place. So here we have 6 on the 1,000 place. So it will be 6,000. And we have 9 on the thousands place, so it will be 9,000. Okay, so which one is bigger? 9,000. So what we have to do is just use that sign. Okay, this one is bigger. Next question is 6893 and 6839. Now what we have to do is again we have to compare both of these numbers. So let us go to the maximum place, which is thousands. So we have 6,000 and 6,000 there. In both of the numbers we have 6,000s. Okay. So now both of the 6,000 place are equal. Now we have to move on the 100th place. On the 100th place it has 800 and it is also having 800. So up to 100 place there both of them are equal. Next what we have to do, we have to move to the 10th place. So on 10th place it is containing 9. So it will be 90 and it will be 3030. Okay. So which one is bigger? 90 is bigger or 30 is bigger? 90? Okay. So this number is bigger. Okay. So what we have to do is we have to start comparing from the highest place value. Okay. So class, this is how we can compare two or more numbers. Next is Indian and international system of numeration. So in Indian system of numeration what we have to do is we have to first understand how commas will be placed. Okay. So this is the ones place, this is tens and this is 100. Okay. So after 100 place what we have to do is we have to use a comma. Okay, and after that after every two digits we have to use a comma. This will be the 1,000 place, this will be the 10,000 place. Okay, we have to again use a comma. Next, this is lakh and this is 10 lakh. Okay, this will be crore and this is 10 crore. Okay, so how can we write a number using Indian system of numeration? Like the number which is given is 6, 8, 3, 2, 4, 5, 8, 3, 9. So what we have to do is place the comma from Which side? Right hand side. So ones, tens, hundred. Then we have to use a comma. Okay. Next is thousand, 10,000. Then we have to again use a comma. This will be lakh and 10 lakh. Okay. And this will be crore and 10 crore. Okay. So it will be like 68 crore, 32 lakh, 45,839. Okay. Now commas will be placed first after 3 digits, then again after 2 digits. Okay. So next what we have to do is we have to write their names. So what it is it is the crore group. So it will be 68 crore. It is 32 lakh. It is 45,839. Next, what we have to do if we have to write this number in which international system? So in international system, the group will be like this. This will be ones, tens, hundred. Okay. This will be 1,000, 10,000, and then 100,000. Next, this is the 1,000 group. Next, after 100,000, there will be million, 10 million, and 100 million. And next group is billion, 10 billion, and 100 billion. Okay, this is the billion group. This is the million group. This is the 1,000 group. Okay, and this is the 100 group. So what we have to do is, if we have to write this number in international system, so what we have to do is we have to place all the digits there. So it will be 9, 3, 8, 5, 4, 2, 3, 8, 6. Okay. So in international system, we have to place comma after every 3 digits and start from the right hand side. So it will be like this. So what will be its name? It will be 683 million. Okay, 683. Which group it is? Million. It will be 245,839. Okay, what the answer will be? 683,245,839. This is the final answer. Okay, so the main difference is, what we have to do is, first of all, place the comma after every what? We have to place the comma after 3 digits and then after every 2 digits. And in international system, we have to place the comma after every 3 digits. Okay. So class, this is our Indian and international system of numeration. Next topic is rounding off. Okay. So class, in this topic, what we will understand how to round off a number nearest tens, nearest hundred, nearest thousand, nearest 10,000, nearest lakh. Like a number is given 68,943. Okay, 68,943. So first of all, what we have to do is write the number and round off up to tens place. Okay, round off up to tens place. Then round off up to hundreds place. Next, thousand place and round off up to 10,000 place. Okay. So class, what we have to do is just check the tens place. Okay. So first of all, round off up to tens place. So if we have to round off up to tens place, then we have to look at which place? Ones place. Okay. We have to round off up to tens place, then we will take a look on ones place. Okay. Okay class. What we have to do is we have to round off up to tens place. If we have to round off up to tens place, then we will take a look on ones place. So what we have to check that what does the ones place consist of? Is it 1, 2, 3, 4? Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4. So it will be no change. Okay. If there is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, then there will be no change at the tens place. If it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then it will be plus 1 at tens place. Okay. So what we have to do, just check that what the ones place contain. So first of all, we have to round off up to tens place, then we will check the ones place. It is 3, so there will be no change at tens place. The answer will be 6, 8, 9, 4. There will be no change at tens place and it will be 0. Okay, it will be 6, 8, 9, 4, 0. Okay class. So class, if we have to round off up to hundreds place, then what we will do is we can take a look at tens place, and the tens place contains a 4. Okay, so if it is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, there will be no change at given place. So it will be 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, and then the rest of it will be 0. Okay. Now round off up to thousands place. Now we will check at thousands place. So we have to take a look at which place? Hundreds place. So at hundred place it is 9. At hundred place it is 9. So I have told you earlier, if it is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then we have to add 1 at the thousand place. Okay, so add 1 at the thousand place. It will be 68 plus 1, 69. 69 and the rest of all will be 0. Okay, now round off up to 10,000 place. So we have to round off up to 10,000 place. Then we will take a look at which place? Thousand place. Okay, and at thousand place it is 8. Then what we have to do is we have to add 1 to the 10,000 place. So add 1 to the 10,000 place. It will be 7, 0, 0, 0 and 0. Okay. What we have done is we have round off up to tens place, hundred place, thousand place and 10,000s place. Okay. So I am taking another number. What you have to do is you have to give the answer. Okay, the next number is 63852. Okay, so round off up to tens place. So what we have to do is check this. It is 2. Then there will be no change at this place. It will be 6, 3, 8, 5 and 0. Done. Next we have to round off at the hundreds place. So we will take a look at tens place. It is 5, then 1 will be added on 100 place. It will be 6, 3, 9. 6, 3, 9, 0, 0. Okay. Next, round off up to 1000th place. So we have to take a look at 100 place. It is 8, then 1 will be added at 1000 place. It will be 6, 4, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now, what you have to do is take a look at round off at 10,000 place. So we have to take a look at 1000th place. And at 1000th place it is 3. So there will be no change at 1000th place. So it will be 6, 0, 0, 0, 0. Answer will be 60,000. Okay, class. Next topic is Roman numbers. So class, what we have to do is we will use alphabets to write out the numbers. Okay. So those alphabets are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. Okay. So what we will use? We will use I, V, X, L, C, D and M to write numbers up to what? Thousands. Okay. To write number up to 1000 we will use up to M. So class, what we have to do if we have to write 1? So if we have to write 1, we will use this single type. What we will do, we will have to do if we have to write 2, then we will use it again. Okay. Next, what we have to do if we have to write 3, then we will use the I sign again. Okay, it is 3. Next, we can use any digit continuously up to 3 times. You can use I, X and C repeatedly but up to 3 times. Okay. So what if we have to write 4? So what we have to do is we have to write 5 and then subtract 1 from it. Okay. If we have to add, then we have to place it on the right hand side. And if we have to subtract, then we have to place it on the left hand side. But you can only use it one time. Okay. You can only use it once. You cannot write it like this. It will be 5 minus 2. It will be wrong. Okay. So what we have to do is you can write 4 like this. Next, how can we write 5? To write 5, what we have to use is V. Okay. Then how can you make a 6? Again use it. Done. Next 7, one more and 8. You can use it only how many times? 3 times. Next, what if we have to write 9? So what we'll use is, we'll use X, which is 10 minus 1. It will be 9. Okay. Next is how to write 10. We can write 10 by using this X. Okay. Next 10 plus 1. It will be X 1. Next 10 plus 2. 12. It will be X and then 2. Next 13. How to write 14? So it will be 10 plus 4. How to write 4? 5 minus 1. Done. Next, how to write 15? It will be like this. It will be 50. It is 15. Next, how can we write 16? It will be 16, then 17, then 18. Okay. How to write 19? It will be X, I and X. It is 19. Then how to write 20? It is 20. Okay. Next, how to write 21? You know, place a 1 there. How to write 22? Place 2 there. How to write 30? This is 30. Okay. Next, how to write 31? You can use this. 32, this. 33, this. Okay. 34, you can use I and V. This is 34. This is 35, 36, 37, 38. Next, how to write 39? You can use this. This is 30 and 9. Okay. Next, how to write 40? How to write 40? How to write 40? So, to write 50 we use L. To write 50 we use L. and we can subtract 10 from it. It will be XL. Done? Okay, listen class. To score more or to add something, we can use these signs I, X and C. Done? To reduce something, you can also use these signs. Okay, you cannot use 5, 50, 500 to reduce something. You can also use this, but this will be at the higher state. This is 1, this is 5, this is 10, this is 50, this is 100, this is, and the D is 500 and it is 1000. Okay? So class, this is 40. How to write 41? This is 41, 42, 43. How to write 44? This is 44, this is 45, 46, 47, 48. Okay, next how to write 49? You can use this and this. And how to write 50? We have a symbol there, L. Okay, you can write 50 by using L. Okay, next how to write 51? It will be like this. Again, 52, 53, 54, 55. And then you can use up to 100 or 1000. Okay. So class, this was the basic part of chapter number 1. Okay. And for exercises, you can watch the next videos. Thank you.